Hi folks, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about 8 best tips and tricks that can help you fix battery draining issue in iOS 14 on your iPhone or iPad. Just in case your iPhone has started to drain battery unexpectedly after you have upgraded to iOS 14 or iPad OS 14, then these tips can prove to be really handy. So let's see how they work. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. The very first tip that I would like to recommend you to try out is to disable location services or use it smartly, as it is known to be a power-hungry feature that drains hell lot of battery, so better take control of it. To take control of location services, launch Settings app, and then you have to scroll down and select Privacy, and then you have to tap on Location Services, and then you have to disable the switch for location services, and after that you have to confirm by hitting turn off. Just in case you don't want to completely disable location services, then you can control it per app basis. Like, you don't want Facebook to use location services all the time, right? Then you can tap on Facebook, and then you have 4 options like never allow Facebook to have access of your location. Ask next time means the app has to ask for the access of location every time it wants to use while using the app. Only when you are using Facebook. Always allow the app to have always access of your location. So choose the one that fits your bill, and that's the way you can have better control over the way location services is used on your device. The next tip that I would like to talk about is to disable background app refresh. Don't get me wrong, it's a pretty helpful feature that keeps your apps always ready to go, but it has always been a power-sucking feature which needs to be controlled perfectly, else it will take the hell out of the battery of your device. So disable it if you want to improve the battery life of your device. To do it, launch Settings app, and then you have to tap on General. Then you have to tap on Background App Refresh, and then hit Background App Refresh again, and after that you have to choose Off. There you go. Now you have disabled Background App Refresh. Next up, I would recommend you to disable automatic app downloads and automatic app updates. Though they are pretty helpful, they are known to eat into a lot of battery. So just in case your device is draining hell lot of battery, make sure to disable them as well. To do it, launch Settings app, and then you have to scroll down and select App Store, and now you have to turn off the switch for apps and app updates. Up next, I would suggest you to disable automatic downloads of iOS updates because they are also power killer. So it's always wise to have better control over automatic downloads of iOS updates. To do it, launch Settings app, and then you have to tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Just wait for some time and then tap on Automatic Updates. And after that, you have to turn off the switch for download iOS updates and install iOS updates. Simply turn off the switches for them. I would also like to suggest a couple of pretty helpful bonus solutions, and one of them is to prevent a lot of widgets from running without any sort of restrictions. So just in case if you have installed quite a lot of widgets and they seem to run almost everywhere, make sure to take control of them because I think they might be playing the spoil sport. So prevent a lot of widgets from running without any sort of control. At the same time, you should ensure that autoplay videos are disabled in the App Store as well as in the browsers like Safari or Chrome. So these are pretty helpful tips. If you want to disable autoplay videos in the App Store, launch Settings app and then scroll down and select App Store, and after that tap on video autoplay and then select off, right? And if you want to disable autoplay videos in Safari, then you have to launch Settings app, then choose accessibility, then select motion, and now you have to turn off the switch for autoplay video previews. That's pretty much it. From now onwards, videos won't play automatically neither in the App Store nor in Safari web browser. If your iPhone is still draining plenty of battery, then it's time to go for force restart aka hard reset. It's known to be a pretty reliable solution, especially when dealing with common issues like battery draining or freezing. So give it a shot as well. To force restart your iPhone 8 or later, you have to press and quickly release volume up button, then press and quickly release volume down button, and then you have to press and hold the side button until you see Apple logo on the screen. Now, to force restart your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you have to press and hold the volume down button and home button at once. And to force restart your iPhone 6s or earlier, you have to press and hold both the home button and power button at once until you see Apple logo. Another solution that has often worked for me, especially when dealing with complex issues, is resetting the device to factory settings. So I would suggest you to give it a shot as well. To do it, launch Settings app, and then you have to scroll down and select General. Now you have to scroll down again and tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset all settings. Now you have to enter your passcode, do it, and then you have to hit Reset all settings to confirm. Keep in mind that it will wipe out all the existing settings of your device, but whether or not, all of your data and media will remain safe. If your iPhone is still struggling to retain the battery life for long, then it's time to completely clean up the clutter. And with it, I mean wipe out all the unnecessary apps and data that may have hogged tons of storage unnecessarily. Just in case you don't want to delete any app, then you can offload it. And with the help of this pretty helpful feature, you can get rid of any app without deleting its data, right? So make sure to make the most of it. Now, you can get rid of all the unnecessary screenshots, files that may have clogged up plenty of storage in the Files app, all the unnecessary music and movies. So clean up your device, and when your device is completely decluttered, it will begin to run smoothly, and therefore the battery won't drain that much. So give it a try as well. Just in case your device has not yet stopped draining battery unexpectedly, then I guess the problem might be due to a rare bug. And in this case, software update is always the best bet. So make sure to update your device. To do it, launch Settings app, and then you have to tap on General, then tap on Software Update, and now if there is any update available, then download and install it as usual. Once your device has been updated, then check out if it has started to retain the battery for long. If it has, then rejoice. So These are the top 8 tips and tricks that can help you fix the battery draining issue in iOS 14 on your iPhone and iPad. Try them out, and I'm pretty sure that they will work effectively in taking control of this problem. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.